Welcome back to JewelryMeTV, where style meets quality at prices you'll love. Right now, we're featuring a timeless classic you'll reach for again and again. A stunning pair of sterling silver MK earrings. These earrings deliver that perfect balance of elegance and designer edge. Crafted from genuine sterling silver, they're designed to shine with every turn of your head. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or adding a touch of sophistication to your everyday look, these MK earrings are the perfect finishing touch. Here's why you'll love them. Crafted from high-quality, real sterling silver. Lightweight, comfortable, and perfect for all-day wear. Nickel-free and hypoallergenic, great for sensitive ears. Designed with the iconic MK flair for effortless style. We offer fast, reliable shipping. You'll have your earrings in 3 to 5 business days, anywhere in the USA. Ordering is simple. Just scan the QR code on your screen or use Cash App or PayPal to complete your purchase securely and quickly. This pair won't last long. Add a little luxury to your look and claim your MK earrings before they're gone.